Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix charging problem in any iPhone. So you can see that this is the iPhone 8. So if you are facing the charging problem on your iPhone, so first you need to check the charging port here. Is there any mud or dirt there? So you need to check it first. Also you can use any brush or microfiber cloth to clean this area. So this is the microfiber cloth, so you need to clean it. Also you can use brush to clean this area, because this part sometimes get dirty, so you need to clean it time to time. Also you can check your iPhone charger. So this is the iPhone charger, and this charger has lightning port like this. You can see that this is the lightning port. So this has to be clean, otherwise your phone doesn't connect it to charger. So you need to clean this lightning port by using any cotton or use microfiber cloth like this to clean this area, lightning port area. Also you need to check the charger cable. Is there any bend or any issue on this cable? If there is any issue, you need to check this, and you need to try another charger to fix this problem. Also you need to open it like this and need to clean sometimes. Then again you need to wear it like this, and then check it out if it's work or not. Also you need to know that don't drain your iPhone battery less than 10%, because sometimes it create problem if you discharge your iPhone less than 10%. Now check it out, is there my iPhone charger working or not. Press your cable on iPhone firmly. Switch on the charger. And now you can see that the iPhone is charging, and there is the charger indicator. You can see that it's now charging. So in this way you can easily charge your iPhone. So hope you like this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.